Hello everybody, I am Patil AG, Assistant Professor at GEM College, Karad. Today we are going to learn about the Application Development Tool paper number 2nd. From that the unit number was working with classes. In today's lecture we are going to learn about the multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. Let's see the contents for the today's lecture. The first is the concept of multi-level inheritance. After the concept, the syntax and examples of the multi-level inheritance. Next is the concept of hierarchical inheritance and the syntax and example of a hierarchical inheritance. Third type of the inheritance is the hierarchical inheritance. Public class department, private D number as integer, private D name as a string. Public sub get department, console.writeLine, enter department number, D number is equal to console.readLine. Console.writeLine, enter department name, D name is equal to console.readLine and sub. Public sub put department console.writeLine department number is D number dot to string console.writeLine department name, that concatenation operator D name, and sub end class. The second class student which will be derived here. Public class student inherits department, private R number as integer and R name as a string. Public sub get std. In the get std, get department is called. After the get department, console.writeLine, enter roll number, R number is equal to console.readLine. Console.writeLine, enter roll name, R name is equal to console.readLine. End sub public sub put std. In the put std, put department is called, and console.writeLine student roll number, concatenation operator R number dot to string, console.writeLine student name, concatenation operator R name, and sub end class. Public class employee, which one is the third class, inherits department, private employee number as an integer, private employee name as an integer. Public sub get employee. Get department, console.writeLine, enter employee number is equal to console.readLine. Console.writeLine, enter employee name is equal to console.readLine. End sub public sub put employee. In put department, console.writeLine employee number, concatenation operator employee number dot to string, console.writeLine employee name, concatenation operator employee name, end sub end class. Module 1 sub main, dimension S as a new student, E as a new employee, S dot get std, E dot get employee, S dot put std, E dot put employee, end sub end module. The output of this program is as a first displayed in the get std, get department is called. Put in the put std, put department is called, and put in the put std, the department number and department name is this. The output of this program is in the get std and put std, first get department and put department is called, and in the put department there is a department number and department name will be displayed. After that, in the put std, the R number and R name will be displayed. After that, in the get employee and put employee, in the get employee and put employee, get department and put department will be called, means the department number and department name will be first displayed. After that, the employee number and employee name will be displayed. Today we discuss the concept of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. Also, we see the syntaxes and the examples for the multi-level and hierarchical inheritance.